Now that I have a couple hundred miles on this Madstad windshield, I wanted to talk to you about it. This is a 2022 CB500x. This specific one fits anything 2019 up CB500x. Madstad has products for a lot of different stuff. Highly recommend them. I mean, they came highly recommended to me for years, but this is the first bike I had where I really needed a different windshield. I wish I would have put one of these on my Versus back in the day, but the best thing about Madstad is that they're adjustable. So you can see this slot here. I can move this whole windshield up or down a couple inches, and there's a slot this way. You can see right here. So I can change the pitch of it. Right now I've got it just slightly less of a rake than the forks. And right now it's also very cold, as you can see, so I've got it up pretty high. Most of the wind is going over top of me. I'm getting just enough air to my helmet to keep the visor from fogging. The factory windshield, you can see you've only got two positions. You've got here, and you can move that up a set. That wasn't enough. The factory windshield was about 2.5 inches more narrow and about 3 inches shorter than this. Plus, you can get an 18, a 20, or a 22-inch windshield, which is the height. So you can kind of dial it in if you're a really tall person or not so much a tall person. It doesn't matter your height. You can get the right windshield and adjust it so that it's perfect for you. So I'm 6'3". I don't think I need a bigger windshield, but I like a little bit of wind hitting me, you know, in the helmet, just to keep things clear, fresh air moving, that sort of thing. And this can go up. So I can have, at 6'3", I can have this adjusted up, and all the wind will be going over top of me. They do suggest you use the low factory windshield mounting point, but as you can see, I've still got plenty of height left in it. I probably could have done an 18-inch, to be honest, and just had it up higher. But wonderful product. Really suggest you do it. I personally think windshields are one of the first things you should change on any bike that has one, because the factory is so often inadequate. But again, it depends on personal preference and climate and everything. But if people ask me what to change on a motorcycle or how to get more comfortable, windshield, and Madstad makes the best one. You can buy a GV, or you know, some bikes offer factory touring screens, but they use factory mounts. They're not very adjustable. That is well worth the money. These are not much more expensive than fixed aftermarket windshields, and you get all that adjustability. So I'm just gonna stop, because otherwise I'll keep going around in circles. But I love it. Suggest you do it. Madstad makes good stuff. Don't forget to do all the things to make the YouTube algorithm happy, like, you know, subscribe, like the video. If you're a really wonderful person, consider supporting the channel. Thanks for watching.